In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your contacts on Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Facebook application and hit at menu icon. Now there, scroll down for a bit and hit on Settings and Privacy, and next get into Settings. There, scroll all the way down until you find Upload Contacts. And there, all you have to do in order to find your contacts on Facebook is to enable that option, then hit continue, and there you may wait for some time until your contacts will be uploaded. And now here I got the list of people from my contacts that have their accounts on Facebook. I can simply look at them and I can easily add those people as my friend just by hitting on Add Friend button. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.